Want to play in the snow? They're so cute. Look at the snow bunny hopping. Let's make the tallest snow castle ever. Don't forget glitter on top. It will shine. Look at our snow family. They're so cute. Let's make more. Look at the snow flying!
Faster! The snow sparks behind us!
Magical! That's awesome! We're flying through a rainbow of ice! Look at the sparkling snow tray! Wow! Look at all the sparkling snow trees! It's like a magical winter wonderland! Wow! The sun's dancing! It's so fast! Look! The icicles glow like crystals.
It's like a magical frozen palace.
Whee! The tunnel sparkles all around us.
It's like sliding through rainbow snow. We're back in the castle courtyard. It's so sparkly. Look at the candy decorations and glittering towers. This is even more fun going down. Look at the glitter trail we're leaving behind.
Hooray! This snow adventure was amazing.
We made so many magical memories.
Bye, everyone. See you in our next adventure.